want to call it. I just ordered this one from Rock Auto, and as you can see, so since I'm going with the Integra brakes in the front, I needed a bigger master cylinder because the one that comes in the Civic, it's I want to say like a 7/8 or something like that. It's the smallest one, and I heard you could put the one from a 90 Civic EX, and it's 13/16, and you don't really gotta bend no lines, and it'll fit right on your booster. So I'm gonna try to see if it's actually what they say it is, because they say you don't gotta bend no lines and it'll bolt right up to it and it fits right on there. So I'm about to try to see if we could do that. And also, I just changed the bushing. On this control arm part, and I had to go to the dealer to get these washers because don't nobody sell them. So the part number is 5139 SR3010, and the other one is 51398 SR300, and it's both these washers right here, this one and this one back over here. Whoever put my control arms did me the favor and didn't ever put the other one, so this was one of them. I was missing the other one, so I had to take that off and swap out the bushing because the bushing was already shot. So I did that, and I got the other control arm part. I had changed these bushings a while back ago, but it's gonna be time soon to have to buy some new ones. These are kind of still in good condition, but you know, with the snow and all this extra stuff, they do tend to get a little worn, but they're still good because there's still no play in them or anything. They're just a little dirty and kind of beat up a little bit, but they're still going back on there. And these whole rotors and everything about to come off. And sorry I couldn't film before, but I had took out the whole rack and pinion because my rack and pinion was shot. Look at all this, beat up. I had changed the rack and pinion. My phone had messed up, so I lost a lot of the videos that I did. I edited them and everything, but I didn't just upload them, and breaking my phone and the screen messing up, I couldn't get to none of my videos, so I lost all the videos. I had a full video on doing this, but like I said, my phone messed up on me, so that was a pain in the butt. But we about to tackle this today. Try to get this on there. I still gotta take those whole rotors off and put my other ones on from the Integra. So, and I still gotta get in alignment. I also I'm gonna do another video because I did paint the car with the Rust-Oleum paint and everything, and it came out pretty good. I did it almost a year ago, and it's still holding up pretty good. Kind of dirty. The car's been sitting up in here for like about 2 weeks already, trying to change all these bushings and everything. And I got the progress coilovers on. I had another video of me putting all the coilovers on and putting them together and everything, but I lost all the videos and footage and everything. But it's still good. They're just extremely dirty from the weather and everything like that. But once they clean up, they're brand new. So once they clean up, you see how all the dirt and everything is just wiping right off. Yeah, see, they're just all from the rain and snow and everything. Upper control arms, I had changed these bushings out over here too. Put some new bushings. This is just all dirt and salt and everything. Boy, I hate this snow. But hey, I gotta deal with it. Get back to you in a second. Okay. This is what we're gonna be changing over here. It's got one fitting over here, one fitting back there. Let's see if you can see it. I probably can't. And one bolt over here and one bolt over there. I lined everything up and it looks like it'll fit right there, and the fittings on the right spot and everything. So we're gonna have to go ahead and take care of that. A little quick rundown. Bought some NGK spark plug wires. Got that. I got the VMS racing cap. I also did the rotor on the inside. I changed the internal coil, which I got the VMS racing internal coil. I did that also. If you probably see my other video, I got the headers on, so it looks sweet. I put the headers on with the whole, I had a custom make the test pipe fitting because it didn't fit from the end of the header to the end of the muffler. The test pipe was, the flange was two different types of outlets, whatever you want to call it. The holes and stuff didn't match up, so I had to cut off a piece from one and get it welded so it can fit. So now it fits pretty good. So I got the headers on. Soon probably gonna drop another video. I got my other intake. I also got keep that a little secret. I got the intake and I got some other stuff. I'll make another video on that. And also got the K-Tune RSX shifter cables on here with the shifter box. So that's another thing I added on here. It comes with this little metal piece right here where you gotta tap the old wires to make it a little longer. It also comes, I can't see up in there. Let's see if I could give a good little spot. Well, anyway, you ain't gonna be able to see it. Oh yeah, you can a little bit. But this little piece right there is a bracket. I got that from K-Tune, so you can be able to put the shifter cables on there. And also got the RSX shifter box. So it shifts way better than the regular stock 8 series shifter. So much better. It's like night and day. You can, and that's just with the stock shifter box. I can only imagine if I get a K-Tune bullet shifter on how much better it's gonna shift. But the RSX shifter box, the stock one, is more shorter than the actual 8 series shifter box. So I like the way it shifts now. Before it had some long throws, like really I felt like I was driving a truck on how long the throws were. But this one cut it like way in half, and that's just the stock. Sorry for the wind. That's just with the stock shifter box. So I can get another shifter box, probably like a Buddy Club one. That's probably like $100, something like that. I could get that, and it'll be a little better. But besides that, I'll do an in-depth video a little more on what I've done to the car so far and everything else. But be right back. So I just finished putting on the master cylinder, or whatever you want to call it. This is the new one. As you can see, it bolts up over there. There's another bolt or nut right back here. And yep, the lines went on perfect. No bending or rerouting anything. So I'm pretty hyped about that one. Here's the old one. That was garbage. It was leaking all over here. So I just put these plugs on so it doesn't leak all on the floor. But that's the old one. There goes the new one. Yeah. I also put on the control arm back on. I got that on there already. It's kind of dark down there, but yeah, I got that on. Sorry I couldn't film too much. Trying to hurry up and get this done. Some type of weather starting to sprinkle snow and everything, so I'm trying to get this done. But yeah, I got a couple more other things to do, so I will be coming out with another video pretty soon. So stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, share. You know what I'm saying? Need to get some subscribers just starting off with this, so don't be shy to press that subscribe button. I got a lot of more videos to come, a lot more pieces to put on and stuff like that, so this is just the beginning of it. But alright, y'all, take it easy.